Doing good.
Good to see you. Good. How you feeling?
A little sore.
Where are you feeling it?
In my shoulders and about middle of my back.
Okay. I think I can check your shoulders today, so we'll give those a go. Ooh, here.
Yeah.
Okay, come back like 1 more inch for me right there. May I borrow this guy? And I'm just gonna give you a creepy little hug like this here, and let this just kind of relax like that. Oh, that sounded lovely. Let's try this one here too, same kind of thing, just with this kind of. Hey, we got a little one there. We'll take that for sure. Oof, you feel this this thing right there? Over here too. This guy, left side. You feel that thing yet?
Yep.
Okay. Let's check this guy right here. Let's bring this chin up right like that, Chrissy. There we go. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Take a little breath and then hold here. Exhale, relax. Okay, bigger breath, bigger hold. Give me one more. Yes, man, that sounded awesome. Let's get you on your side. Yes, man. Right here. Perfect. Cool. Gotcha. Tiny bit forward right here. Yeah. Good. Okay, hold right here for me, Chrissy. Okay. Let this relax. Let this here. Yes, ma'am. Let's try the other way. Perfect. Barely. Right there. Hold here. You scoop your thumb in there for me, sis. Right there. Yeah. Okay. This knee come up. Yep. We're going off here. There it goes. Let's get you on your back, face up. Cool. This way here. Fall here. Yeah. Now let's get you a stretch here. What about that Y strap? Because you like that one? That Y strap? Yeah, let's do that. I think that's right there. Okay. Okay, drop back. Okay, you ready? Chin back, just barely like that. Good. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh my God. That was awesome. Sweet freedom right there, isn't it?
Yes.
Amen.